Guys, today finally episode 67 is out. Time to watch. Look at this loaded guy. A lot of toilets on fire. Just some cameramen. Wait. I thought that was how to pause the video. What? Those toilets have guns? Well, more fire and a cameraman dropping. Wait, there's a big toilet. Finally, the police toilet has been killed. Bro uses his both rocket launchers. Bro got scared. Is that plunge? Oh wait, that's a cameraman with jetpack. He's back. Oh. What is that? He been poisoned. Here, just exploded. Die, Skibbity. He's alive. Mafia toilet. Where was that? How is he still fighting? How is he still fighting? Whoa! Bro just been slapped. He been slapped again. Is he repaired? Cameraman is just flying. Whoa! They're gonna fight. Bruh, at least he has a fixed arm. Thanks, guys.